खुलुमबाय आं जोंदाव बसुमतारी थामहिनबा नन्दिता खुसि बसुमतारीनि बिफा नन्दिताखौ दायो आं इंलिसावनो मोननैसो सोंलु सोंगोन आरो बे सोंलुफोरनि फिननायखौ नन्दिताया बे इंलिसावनो होनो नाजागोन। जों गाव इंलिसाव बांद्राय मोजां नङाब्लाबो गथ'खौ मोजां खालामनो नाजानाया जोंनि बिमा बिफानि गुबै मावनो गोनां खामानि गुबै बिबान आरो जों गावनिख्रुइ गथ'खौ अरायबो साबसिन खालामनो नाजानांगोन। मानो होनब्ला आथिखाला जाहैबाय बादायारि मुगा। बे बादायारि मुगायाव जों गावनि गथ'खौ माबा मोनसे मोजां खामानियाव बाहागो लाहोनो थाखाय दानिफ्रायनो जोङो बिमा बिफा जानानै एसे नारा नाथा नाजानांगोन। उन्दैनिफ्रायनो जोङो बैसोजों लोगोसे जाफोर बाथ्राफोरखौ बियो सोलोंथारनांगोन, जायफोर खामानिफोरखौ बियो रोंथारनांगोन बेखौ जोङो फोरोंनो नाजानांगोन। बिदिब्ला दायो आङो इंलिसावनो मोननैसो जिके थामहिनबा कुइसनफोरखौ सोंगोन। नन्दिताया बेनि फिननायफोरखौ इंलिसाव होनो हायो ना हाया नोंथांमोना नायलांबाय थादो। बेवहाय गोबां गोरोन्थि जालांनो हागौ, मानो होनब्ला जों बिमा बिफानि इंलिसाव बांद्राय मोजां नङा नालाय। थेवब्लाबो जों गाव मोजां नङाब्लाबो एसे सोलोंनानैब्लाबो आं गथ'खौ फोरोंनो नाजादों। नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ जोबजासिम नायलांनो नाजा आरो भिडिअफोरखौ मोजां मोनोब्ला नोंथांमोना शेयार खालाम आरो फल' खालामनो नाजा। बिदिब्ला जागायबाय, नायबाय थादो। गुड मर्निं daughter.
Good morning, Father.
How are you daughter?
I'm fine.
How do you feel now?
I feel great.
Very good. What's your name?
Kulumbai. My name is Nandita Basumatary.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
In which class do you study?
I study in the zone.
Very good. Where do you live?
I live at Bogotpara.
Where is your school situated?
My school situated at Bodosara.
Very good. What is your school name?
My school name is Bodosara School.
Who lives in your home?
Me and my parents.
Very good. How many members are there in your family?
3.
Please tell me their name.
Mrs. Suspita Baglari, Miss Nandita Khusi Basumatary, Mr. Jindo Basumatary.
Very good. When is your birthday?
My birthday is October 13.
Very good. What's the date today?
It is September 8.
What day is it today?
Today is Sunday.
Very good. How do you feel now?
I feel great.
Very good. How many siblings do you have?
I have no siblings. It's just me.
What's your village name?
My village name is Legal.
Very good. What do you like to eat?
I like to eat vegetable and rice and fruits.
Very good.
And egg and chicken and fish and lollipop and chocolate.
Okay, good.
And chocolate and candy.
Okay.
And baby shark to chocolate.
Okay, next. What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading books, writing, playing, love my mother.